Hi, I'm Liz, the new brand ambassador for Awesome Sites. I'm not your typical ambassador. I'm generated from just a single photo and designed to sound deliberately robotic, emphasizing my AI origin. This makes me the perfect choice for launching our groundbreaking AI-assisted web design course. Imagine being able to generate web content at will and produce AI-generated photos like myself with just a click of a button. Web design has never been easier,
Thanks to AI doing all the heavy lifting for us.
Better yet, this course will also teach you how to create an intelligent chatbot, enabling you to provide 24/7 customer service without hiring a legion of service staff. A demo of this chatbot is available on the course sign-up page, so you can take it for a test drive and marvel at its ability to provide accurate, human-like responses. An intelligent website like this typically costs thousands of dollars if you hire a web developer. With our course, you can now build it yourself, backed by our no-fuss, money-back guarantee. If for any reason you fail to get your website up and running during the course, we will refund 100% of the fees paid. Ready to experience the future of web design with Awesome Sites? Then see you at our AI-assisted web design course.